They're not very smart, so...
There's the most poisonous spider in the world.
Ew, are you kidding? Oh, it's one of those.
Good thing its mouth is too small to bite.
Oh, there's another one. Ew, that one probably is. What is that? That one looks scary. Do you see that one?
Yeah, that's because it's the most poisonous spider in the world.
No, this one. He's got black and white on him. I feel endangered.
And here we are in nature, where the Cicadas have built a park. And we're far removed from any civilization. There are only outhouses, or I guess porta potties, not even outhouses here. Yes, Samantha and I have dared to go 3 miles from our house. So I don't know if you can hear it. Those are the cicadas. Samantha said she's going to eat one.
No, I didn't. That would be a surprise, wouldn't it?
These two aren't making any noise. Get with it.
Maybe if I put water on them. I don't like that.
Maybe if we grab one. You started yelling at me. Sorry, that was mean. Although we ambitiously started in nature, we're taking steps more and more civilized in order to find cicadas.
We will end up in our backyard.
From forest preserve to bike path. I have the feeling there's one on my neck.
Yeah. How come I haven't had any on me yet? I'm lucky. Maybe I have and I just don't know. I feel crawly, but that's probably just because there's lots of them around. Oh.
You can feel it coming.
This is what most of them look like all the time.
Ah, good job.
There's more friendly pairs.
He's mad I was filming that.
He's after you.
He wants to fight. Look at his red eyes. Oh no! Oh, it's a bluff. He's going away now.
There's a lovely arc of them on this tree. The mating one's trying to get on your shoe.
They got more?
Yeah, on your shoe. They don't like me, I'm happy.
It's an attack! Oh, there goes that guy! No. So we learned on the internet that they're best when you get them right out of their shell, because they look, well, they're not as hard, and maybe they're tastier, I don't know. But we long since missed that opportunity, because they're at their peak right now. They say you're supposed to take the wings and legs off before you eat it.
I'm nervous.
But I don't know, that's too much like torture, I think, and we don't condone torture.
Oh no, he escaped.
I guess we shouldn't linger either.
Well, you're about to meet your end, William. I can't believe you're gonna do this.
take the
Open your
wings
mouth,
off.
open your mouth. Why should you take the wings off?
They don't chew up.
Ew.
But
I'm so shaky. How does
I
it
have to
taste?
proceed.
How does it taste?
Like bugs.
Have you had bugs before?
I heard it tastes like macadamia
Yeah.
nuts, but that's not what macadamia nuts taste like.
And you know about nuts, so... Wait, you should probably
Although
cut
it
that.
is a little nutty, I suppose.
Ew. Are you gonna eat another one now with the arms and like that, or are you gonna wait and cook it? Open your mouth, how's it going?